I feel like I'm in the 60s.
With me typing on it?
And you're a secretary. This is the noise I have to put up with every day.
Sorry, I'm almost done.
It's all good.
I'll get in the hood.
I'll just not get you a drum set for next Christmas.
Okay, well.